Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change your Instagram account's password. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, first of all, access your Instagram app on your mobile phone. Go to home section, and right over here, once you have done so, all you have to do is tap on it. There's a profile icon given below right corner. Now go back and tap on this three horizontal line on top, and now tap on this option of settings and privacy. Over here you have to tap on this option of account center on top. Afterwards, all you have to do is get to this option section of account settings and tap on this password and security. Then you will be able to find this login and recovery sections, change password on top. You have to simply tap on it. Now choose which account you would like to change password of. Since we won't like to use the Instagram, tap on your Instagram account. Now simply go ahead, enter your current password, and now tap on this new password, enter a new customized password for you. Again, retype it to confirm. Now tap on this change password, and you will be able to change your password for your Instagram account just like that, easily. Once you have done so, all of the other places that you're logged in you will be logged out, and only in this device you will be logged in. So make sure to do it and you're done. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.